Hey folks, did another little roadside stop here. I spotted that thing from the road, so I walked on over. I got scraping around on the ground here, still frozen, but I thought I'd better film it just because I moved this big metal barrel here. I've uncovered that ink. There's another one there, but it's frozen in the ground. Another bottle here, but I seen marble. It's a small one. Right on. I'm gonna keep looking around here. If I see anything else, I'll get you back up on here. There's a mason jar here, folks. Perfect seal. Good find. Hey everyone, got two quick little finds here. This here looks like the handle off a skeleton key, I would say. It's got the heart in the center of it. That's kind of neat. Yeah. I just dug out this little cork top here. It's got no embossing on it, but it's got these ridges around the base of it here on the sides. Okay, cool. I'll get you back on if I find anything else. Okay folks, I got a bottle sitting here. I'm going to pull it out. Let's see what it is. Maybe. It's in there pretty good. Just work it out. Here it comes. Oh. Right on. It's cobalt blue. I don't have one shaped like this. Awesome. I'm quite happy with that. There's no embossing on it, but right on. It's a screw top. It's still a cool shape. Alright. Back at you later on. Wow, check it out folks. Just after pulling that other cobalt blue one out, I pulled this little one out right below it. It's a little cube shaped one. That is awesome. I don't have one of these either. I'm loving it. Turned out to be a good day. Catch you on the next one. So I just got this one here. It's an amber. It's got all these ridges on it. None on that side. And I'm assuming that's a poison with all these ridges. If anybody knows for sure, let me know. It's got indents on both sides there. I'm assuming for your thumb and forefinger. And might have one of those 3-tab screw tops on it. I have to take that off to find out, which I'm not going to do right now. But anyways, there's that. Pretty good find, I guess. Well, seems I'm on to these graduated medicines again here. They got the measurements embossed up sides of them here. They are a cork top, so that's kind of neat, but they're common. I've got dozens of these things, like literally dozens of them. Anyways, on to the next. Hey folks, this here just rolled out. It's awful muddy. It's wet and muddy here today, but I think this is going to clean up nice. The handle's gone off it. Looks like there's a little chip there. I'm going to take it anyways and clean it up, see what it looks like. We'll post pictures or something. Later. Hey guys and gals, do a quick roundup here. I think you've seen pretty much most of this stuff anyways in the video. There's that teacup I want to clean up. There's no markings on it. A little bit of gold gilt design around it. With a little flower inside there. That's no show-stopping piece, that's for sure. A couple of these graduated medicines there. Got the measurements up the side. They're pretty common. 6 ounces. There's the perfect sealed jar. Nothing special. Little vial. Ink. Screw top. Another glue bottle. A page. This here cork top. It's got the little rough patterns there on the edges. It had the cork in it, but I took it out. It was all disintegrating, so that's quite possibly the oldest thing here. I don't know. Those two, you've seen those. This one here has got the hazel and atlas mark on the bottom of it. Can you see that? Right above that 5 there. It's probably like a medicine or something. Typical Listerine bottle. Cork top. All embossed there. These two little brown ones. This is a gear out of a watch or something. That's something different. Second marble of the year. It's cool. It's a little handle off a key of some sort. Got that heart in the middle. That's kind of neat. And then the most peculiar thing is this syringe here I found. This part here is broke, so it might have looked like that. Might have had a double ender there. Looked like a tubing or something might have went on it. But anyways, it's a syringe of some sort, medical or veterinary. I couldn't find anything online about it, so I don't really know too much about anything here, really. It's got some markings up the rod there, measurements. Close that back up. So yeah, that is kind of interesting. If anybody knows anything about that, let me know. I'd be interested in knowing. It all comes apart. This here winds off. That winds open. Pulls out. So that's basically everything there. Thanks for watching, everyone. Good luck, happy hunting, and catch us all in the next one.